Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Driver Decides to Fight Police After Getting Busted.
An officer with the Pensacola Police Department responds to a 911 call about a passed out driver. He'll be shocked by what she does next.
Damn, she out.
Hey, how long has she been here?
A while. Because I DoorDash and I was DoorDashing in this area. I'd say an hour.
Okay, mind just hanging tight in your vehicle for me. There you go. She didn't even move when I bumped it or when you did. I do have a tool to break the glass if we need to. Hoping to try to wake her up. Yeah.
She holds a beer?
Yep.
Make sure that's on camera.
Oh yeah. There's another one in the center console. Beer in her hand. Looks like a Bud Light. A Bud Platinum. And then there's another one over there. Empty, sitting in the center console.
Cooked.
So the call originally came out with the first time, saying that she walked into the gas station drunk.
Amy called me and
She
told
called
me,
you.
so.
Yeah.
Are you all the way up on her?
Yeah, I'm all the way up on her. Looks like she has hit something, because right up in here is busted up.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not where anything on mine touched it, so I don't know what she's hit. It looks like she has hit something. Yeah, I'd say she hit it hard because it's a tough vehicle. It says 0 sugar. It looks like a tall boy beer.
Yeah, it's probably one of those seltzer things that give you terrible headaches.
Yeah.
Man, she's passed out good.
Yeah. Thompson has an unlocked.
Hey, darling, wake up! Wake up, darling! I'm just banging on that window.
Wake up. Come on, Pensacola Police. Need you to wake up.
Damn, you listen, you ever had a drunk night and you just finally pass out? You be sleeping good, boy. It be you in a whole nother, you listen, you somewhere on Jupiter, boy. You just out. Knocked out, man. Sleeping good. This is what's going on right here.
I've not since then.
Hey!
Wake up.
Oh,
I say
yeah,
she is passed
feel
out hard. Thompson's got an unlock kit if we want to do that instead of breaking a window. Yeah. Well, get a tow truck en route and they can unlock it for us. Yeah, she's still breathing. It's that belly breathing. Someone's trying to call her. There we go. Hey, open the door. Open the door, sweetheart. Yeah. Hey, I'm Officer Kent. Someone needs you to turn off your car, okay?
What did I do?
So you were passed out behind the wheel here for a good while.
Look at her trying to hide the bottle under the seat. You see? Damn, she got one in the... What the hell? I just paused it, but look. She got one in the door, too. That's 3 bottles right there. She had one between her legs that she's trying to hide on the side. She got one in the door and then one in the center console there. Look at this. Look what she do with her hand. She thinks she's slick. Look at this. Look at this real quick.
Open the door, sweetheart.
Look at her.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Officer Kent. Someone needs you to turn off your car, okay? So you were passed out behind the wheel here for a good while. I do believe you were driving while under the influence.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you willing to perform some standardized field sobriety exercises for me?
Are you gonna not take me to jail?
Ma'am?
Are you gonna take me to jail?
I need you to step on out for me.
I thought you.
No, do you want to perform the standardized field sobriety exercises?
Okay, let's do what we have to do. Come on, let's do it.
All right, go ahead, step on out.
7-2.
7-2. I gotta
Yeah, the
pee
vehicle
really
works.
bad.
Go ahead, step on out for me.
Still have to pee.
Okay, step on out. Still need to step out.
Well, can I piss
On
on
the
it?
CRV.
Step on out.
November
Okay.
Alpha 51.
All right.
back.
She's bombed.
All right. So
Damn.
Do your job as much as I do.
still haven't gotten an answer from you. You willing to perform standardized field sobriety
Yes.
exercises? You
You
are?
say yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's find us a good spot for it.
I think this is perfect.
No, I don't want to risk you getting hit by a car. You see the way people drive, right?
They're fun.
You have your ID on you?
Well, shit. One would hope. This is my driver's license, right?
Okay.
I have been a sober person for a really fucking long time.
Go ahead and step back over this way.
Yep, let's do it. Let's find a sober. Well, fuck. Where are you gonna park? I mean,
Yeah, that's just in case your vehicle moves.
Yeah.
serious?
Trying to think what we got around here for a parking lot or something.
Probably.
How about here?
Hold up. Stay right here. Stay right here. Hey,
Okay.
Damn, she trying to bum rush the officer?
Because I.
turn back around. Do not make this worse on yourself. It's already bad enough you're driving under the influence. Now you pushed a police officer. That's
You
battery.
can't be shoving us.
Oh,
through.
fuck that. Can I have my shoe? Or are you gonna fucking refuse me of that? Ah!
All right. Do you want your shoe back on?
Yes.
All right, put it back on. All right, do you have anything in your pockets? Anything that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me? Anything that's going to get
Yes.
you more trouble?
I am about to fucking blow the goddamn universe up.
Okay. Well, you have definitely urinated on yourself.
You guys are fucking crazier than I am.
Ma'am, step in there.
No!
All right, look.
No!
Here, I'll hold her if you want to just go to the other
right.
side.
No! No!
Ma'am, coming in one way or the other.
Oh, God, no! Get me out of this motherfucker!
Miss Michelle.
Get me out of there!
Miss Michelle.
Get me out of here!
Miss Michelle.
Oh, f*** you! F*** you and your
Sit
Miss
up.
Michelle!
Sit up. Okay.
Get me fucking
Quit
out of here!
hitting the door of my car.
Oh, God, that hurts! Get me out of here!
Quit hitting the door of my car. I'm going to have to put a hobble on you.
She's banging her own head against the bars, and then she's talking about, oh, that hurts. Well, no shit. No shit. What's damn. She's damn. They can't even get through the field sobriety test. She tried to bum rush the officer. She said, "Oh, hold up." You're like, "What?" "Oh yeah, let me get you together, man. What's up? What's wrong with you? You're not acting right." Damn, this look right here, man. Look at this look. Gotta be able to control your alcohol, man, and not drink and drive. Especially not 3 cans. The judge got this all day long. This is clear as day. 3 cans in there, acting like this is over, passed out. But you know how this is going to end. Probably going to get dismissed.
Your legs. All right. Cut it out. I'm trying to be polite to you. I've been polite this whole time.
You are not polite.
I'm very polite. So stop
Get
hitting
your
my
fucking
car.
phone out of my fucking face.
That's not a phone.
Whatever, get it out.
Stop pushing on my car. Stop hitting things. Stop
Let's
screaming. Stella Artois.
5 minutes. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Please.
Miss Michelle, hold up. Can you talk to me without yelling And using profanity? Okay, I will talk to you here in a second. A second 1 month and a 2 month and a 24-hour. Hold up, Miss Michelle. I'm getting your purse for you.
You never are receiving any.
The more 911 hang up.
I appreciate that.
Registry 123
All right.
District. Just an open line.
I'll come get you out here in a second.
Oh, I bet you will. You
I gotta
motherfucker.
grab your stuff out of the back. There's no reason to talk that way. All right, let's go ahead and get on out. We'll go ahead and let's get on out.
This is not
Come on, come on. You're coming out of the back of the car. Look, you're making this worse. It doesn't need to be this way.
No!
You can come out.
No! 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 No!
Come on out. You're gonna fall and it's gonna hurt. All right, get your feet. Stand up.
You fucker!
Stand up.
Just give me a minute! Give me a minute!
Let's go. Now you pissed me off.
I don't need to kick you in your balls, you motherfucker! Fuck you!
Stop.
You!
Stop.
God! You!
Stop. Now you just added another charge because you just hit another officer. You're getting 2 felonies, including your DUI.
Oh, God.
Michelle was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery ×2, DUI, and refusal to submit DUI testing. She accepted a plea deal and was able to plead guilty on the DUI charge, and everything else was dropped after she successfully completed her 1 year of probation. In addition, she was given her driver's license back after 6 months. Let's hope she never does this again.
Told you. Told you shit getting dropped. We already know. Yeah, man. But that next day, she I know she felt like crap the next day. Because, listen, once you start getting into your, like, I'd say mid-30s, 40s, you know, you start feeling aches and pains that you ain't never felt before. You know, you're like, wait, hold on. You know? So getting tugged on and getting your arm bent all crazy and all that. At her age, oh yeah, she was sore for a little while after that. That's a fact. And then not only that, dealing with the hangover from all that drink. Oh man. Whew. Golly. I'm glad, like, I'm somebody that I don't get hangovers, you know? Like, I don't get hangovers. It's very, very rare. The only thing that would kind of get me at, like, a headache is, like, of course, you're, like, sluggish, but I'm talking about, like, the headache part of a hangover. The only thing is, like, if I drink red wine. Red wine, it's over. Like, it's over. That's why I don't drink it. Like, nah. But yeah, you know, when I was in my 20s, like, I'm an old man now. You know what I'm saying? I'm 32. Okay, I'm an old man. But when I was 22, 23, 24, 25, all of the 20s going crazy. What? Man, I could go to work. You know, like, man, yo. Listen, I was a CEO at 21, man. Never really had no money or whatever. Now all of a sudden I'm a CEO, got my job, making some money now, single, young. What? You couldn't tell me nothing. Back then, man, I'm going to work, doing my thing, probably working a double or not. Sometimes, you know, get out, go home, change, get something to eat, go to the club. Party to like what 2 a.m, party to like 2 a.m, come home, you at home by like 3, waking up at 6:45, You know what I'm saying? Gotta be to work, you know? Like, yeah, it was, no, not 6:45. Waking up at like 6, because I gotta be to work by 6:45. You know what I'm saying? What? Going there off 2 hours of sleep, do it again. Now? Shit. Hell nah. I could still party and all of that, but not get 2 hours of sleep and have to function the next day for real. Whew, that's tough. That's gonna be tough, boy. But like I said, one thing that helped is I never got headaches. Like, never got that type of stuff. Yeah, I'd be a little sluggish. Drink some water, you know what I mean? I'm good to go. So, but anyway, back like I was saying, I know she felt sore for probably at least a week. Getting your arm bent up all crazy and getting dropped on the floor and all of that, because you acting like a you know how you acting. She felt that. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.